Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. This video is about the Sophia.org Reddit and its popularity in United States. We'll know more about it in here, and before moving forward, I would love if you like this video, share it with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative news regularly. So, if you are looking for a self-paced study which is also very less in cost and is for courses that are college credited in a fresh and a fun and a very different learning experience, Sophia is the place for you. Sophia provides you with various courses in various disciplines so that you can continue with your studies on or start afresh through their courses and have learning at your own pace. As we dig deeper into the website, we can see that you can join this platform in just $79 per month, and you can also get a look at what it includes. Also, there is very easy way of transferring money, and it is safe as well. With this $79 plan, you will get accessibility and flexibility of 33 courses catalog that are included inside the courses, the whole list. There is no additional fees that is required to be paid at the time of getting the course or starting it. There is also success support, which Sophia Learning coaches will be providing you through your phone, email, or online chat, and you can easily avail the support of their employees whenever you need it. There is also a college credit option which have opinions for earning credit in ways that fit your schedule and your goals as said by them. So it is an alternative credit provider, and it is approved for self-paced courses which will give you the liberty to study at your own pace. There are certain skills that are powered by Sophia which can help you learn, and also for higher education and corporate learning you can take this online course and get yourself educated in it. So there are different areas in which you can find courses which includes business, English and communication, humanities, math and science, social science, and other courses. This includes courses from the composition of and foundation of English composition to accounting and project management, also from college algebra to human biology to introduction to statistics, which also has ancient Greek philosophers, art history, and introduction to ethics. All these can be found and much more on Sophia. So, moving down to its reviews, on as people have reviewed it, it includes several colleges as well and have accreditation from those colleges and university, which includes more than 50 to 80 colleges, which definitely says that this is not a scam but is legit. And if you are willing to dedicate some of the hours of your day and do not feel like going to a regular college or regular classes, this Sophia membership can be perfect for you. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share it with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative news and regular updates day to day. Thank you and have a nice day.